Hello friends, and in this video I'm going to tell you what you need to do with your strawberry patch to increase your harvest. This should be done right now when the strawberries have begun to bloom. Right now it needs your care. First of all, strawberries need to be mulched. You can mulch them with film or agrofiber, but it is best to use chopped wood from fruit trees that you prune in the spring. In previous videos I have demonstrated how to prune various fruit trees. I accumulated a lot of branches and shredded them into this mulch and added it to my strawberry beds. Unlike straw or hay, this mulch does not acidify the soil, but rather, when it decomposes and is processed by microorganisms in the soil, it turns into easily accessible food for your strawberries, and slugs and ants do not start under such mulching, and no one will eat your strawberries, and when the strawberry crop ripens, it will not be on dirty soil, but on this clean mulch, and after watering and fertilizing, moisture is retained under the mulch longer and the soil does not overheat from the sun. But besides that, now you need to feed the strawberries, and the best way to do this is with potassium humus. It contains macro and micro elements, phosphorus and potassium. It will help to increase the size of the strawberries and the accumulation of sugar in them, so your harvest will be not only large but also sweet. I add 30 to 50 milliliters of potassium humus to 10 liters of water. It all depends on the manufacturer, so be sure to look at the proportions on the package before use and follow them. 10 liters of this fertilizer is enough for 2 square meters of the garden. By doing so, you will definitely get a large and sweet strawberry harvest. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments, and I wish you great harvests, and have a good day, and see you in the next videos.